How to fix screen dimming in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, turn off adaptive brightness. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on display and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off adaptive brightness from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open setting, search dark mode. Now click on dark mode and click on light and click on save. After click on save, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. Accessibility setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix screen dimming in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.